Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing monthly Boxycharm unboxing. Oh, this one is heavy. So I got my box in and you know what we're doing. I know one of the products that are coming in here, at least I think I do. I didn't get a confirmation on my choice for some reason this month. So I'm hoping that that's the product I picked is the product that I got. So I'm just going to put this over here. So I do get the base box, which is $25 a month. And I'm just going to do a little unboxing. And then aside from this video, I will do a full try on just depending on what products I get. So as soon as you get it, oh, this is kind of everywhere. Let me just, so as soon as you get it, you get a little pamphlet, you get the products. With the pamphlet, it tells you all the products you're getting as well as the retail value. So this month is lucky. And okay, so let us start off. Okay, perfect. So the product that I picked in my choice is the product that I got. Normally they give you a confirmation email letting you know that that's what you're going to be getting, but I didn't get one this month, so that's fine. So I picked this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I've really been into moisturizers and I've heard really good things about this product. It was between this, the Damn Gina mascara, I think, and the Murad. It was a Murad product, but because my skin is really sensitive right now, I can't put anything harsh on my skin. So a moisturizer was the best bet. And I love bananas. I love the way banana smells. I love the way banana tastes. I just like bananas in general. And I've always wanted to try Glow Recipes products. So I thought this would be a really good first product to try out. Oh, okay. So we're just gonna open it. I'm just gonna smell it a little bit. Oh my god. This smells amazing. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells so good. So this retails you for $39. This is just supposed to be hydrating and it's not supposed to clog your pores. I just want to feel the texture. This, she's thick. She's thick. Oh my god. This smells so good. I'm that person that smells things constantly. Oh my god, I love bananas. I love, oh my god, so good. Okay, I need to keep this aside because we are using this tonight. We are using it tonight. So this is good for sensitive skin. It has banana, chia seeds, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. I can't say that word. C-I-C-A. Oh, yes. Okay, I do want to put this back in the box, but we're going to put this behind me so I don't leave it in the box and forget to use it because I tend to do that a lot. I don't even know why I'm putting it, why I'm trying to close the box. Okay, so that first one, we very excited about that. So this next product is from the Beauty Crop. This is Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. I'm trying to get more into eye masks because I have very wrinkly and just, I just want the under eyes to look good. So this one retails you for $18. It has avocado and green tea infused eye patches to hydrate and depuff tired eyes. Yeah, I'm down. And this comes with 3 pairs, so it's a really good deal. I wasn't sure how many were going to come in this. Honestly, I just really thought there was just 1 pair in here. So I also do want to try this, so I'm going to keep this back there as well. The next product in here is from Carr, and this is a lip oil. Lip oil has been really popular lately, and I've been wanting to find and look for a good hydrating lip oil. So, oh wow, okay, so this is what that looks like. And this retails you for $20. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lips will have this non-sticky, instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. So I got Honeydew. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I have lipstick on, but let's, oh, that's thick. It doesn't smell like honeydew. It smells like something. It smells like makeup from my childhood. I don't know. Let's do a little swatch, and that's a bit peachy and orange, so I don't think that'll really leave a tint on your lips, but let's add a little. I want to see if it's sticky. Nope, not sticky at all. And no taste. No taste. I don't like products on my lips that I can taste. I'm just not a fan of that. So 2 more products to go. The next product is from Frank Body. This is their glow mask. And I've been wanting to try this for a little while. This retails for $21.95. This is a natural and ultra hydrating mask that works to reduce puffiness and give your skin extra life, glow, and brightness. Perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. And it takes 5 minutes to work. So I like quick face masks. Let's see what this one smells like. Because it's hydrating, I feel like I can use this. I've heard really, really good things from this brand. Okay, I couldn't get this little sticker off. Wait. No, I don't like doing that. I don't like using my teeth for that. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out. I don't want to use my teeth. Okay, you know what? We're not going there. Are we? No, because you know what? Last time I did something like this, the product got in my mouth. And we're not going there. Okay, you know what? I'm struggling. I'm really struggling. So I'm gonna just have to try this out later, and I will keep you guys posted and let you know what I think. I just really don't want this to end up in my mouth. I don't want it to end up in my mouth. And the last product that I see here is the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. I have one of Lime Crime's palettes, and I love the formula. It was my go-to palette for such a long time, but I haven't seen the colors on this one. So I am really excited because I know their formula and their pigments are really, really good. So this retails you for $38. And, oh, okay. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I love purples. I love shimmers. So you have some purples, some lilacs, some shimmers, some mauves. I mean, you got a nice brown right here. This is really, really nice. So this color right here, Beam, looks beautiful. It just looks like the most stunning lilac with shimmer. Love it. Love, love, love it. I will be testing this out very, very soon. This purple right here, I'm kind of wish I didn't do my makeup right now. I would have definitely tried to use this today, but I'm really happy with this box. I don't have any complaints at all. There's nothing in here that I wouldn't use. So I do think this month's box was really good. So I am excited. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have used any of these products and if you like them, how you feel about them, and yeah, that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this hopefully short, quick unboxing, and I will see you in my next video.